Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of CPU cooling with the Arctic Freezer 36 A-RGB CPU cooler. If you're looking for the best CPU water cooler for overclocking, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this cooler stand out from the rest. The Arctic Freezer 36 A-RGB boasts a sleek design with a white single-tower build, complemented by vibrant A-RGB lighting. But it's not just about looks. This cooler means serious business when it comes to performance. Equipped with 4 offset heat pipes and 2 pressure-optimized 120mm fans, this cooler ensures efficient heat transfer and optimal cooling for high-end CPUs. Whether you're pushing your processor to its limits with intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads, the Freezer 36 A-RGB has got you covered. Installation is a breeze thanks to the innovative click installation system, making it easy to install or replace the fans without the hassle of screws or clamps. Plus, with compatibility for Intel LGA1851, LGA1700, and AMD AM5, AM4 sockets, you can rest assured that this cooler will fit your setup seamlessly. But wait, there's more. The Freezer 36 A-RGB goes above and beyond with its side-flow heatsink design, drawing additional cool air out of the case for improved ventilation and cooling efficiency. And let's not forget about the digital A-RGB lighting, featuring 12 LEDs for even and rich illumination. In conclusion, the Arctic Freezer 36 A-RGB CPU cooler is the ultimate choice for enthusiasts seeking top-tier cooling performance and stunning aesthetics. With its innovative design, efficient heat transfer, and easy installation, it's no wonder why this cooler is considered the best CPU water cooler for overclocking on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy overclocking!